Hi, brothers and sisters. How are you? God bless you all. I am happy to be informed that the Servant Community's New Creation is sponsoring this event, which is Soul Cry, Live Praise and Worship. We are happy to hear this, to know this, because this is a sign of dynamism on your part and initiative. It means the community is concerned. The community cares, not only for themselves, but for other people. So we hope that this event will build up first your own community and those that cooperate with you. Like for example, Sword and Fire of the Spirit, and then Rivers of the Living Water. I thank them for cooperating with you, and I pray that you will be built up, first of all, as a community, because this activity will make you get in touch with each other and support each other. So spiritually, we hope that you will be built up and strengthened. And then, of course, that the effect of this on the people, you see, that they will not only be entertained, I believe they will be entertained when the praise and worship is very much alive. They will be entertained, yes. But my prayer is that they will not only be entertained, but that they will also be inspired to worship God, that they will be inspired to follow you, right? To follow your example. So that would be a blessing to them, that they will go home excited of the Lord, excited of what they have attended. You see, this event that they have attended, that would be a great success. So the blessings and the success of this event is, of course, depends upon the Lord. And I believe the Lord is always with you. We are praying that the Lord will be with you, that the Spirit of God will guide you and give you all the wisdom that you need to do the things that you are supposed to do, that your performances will be guided by the Spirit and inspired by the Spirit. Then it will become an inspiration to the audience and all who come and join this event. Brothers and sisters, I really wish to be with you in person. I am excited to be with you, but I'm sorry, I cannot make it for many reasons. Anyway, I am with you in the Spirit. Okay? God bless you all. Hope to see you soon.